To increase your knee flexion, place both feet against a wall, keeping an 80 to 60 degree angle with your body. Slowly bend your injured knee by allowing the gravity to bring your heel down while keeping the non-injured leg straight. Start within pain-free ranges only and progress gradually. Begin by lying down on your back while keeping your injured leg straight and bend the non-injured leg. Slowly slide the heel towards your glutes by activating your hamstrings first. Start within pain-free ranges and increase gradually. Start by lying down, placing the heel of your injured leg on a foam roller while bending your opposite knee slightly. Place a weight above your knee to increase the load. You can use books, dumbbells, plates, or anything heavy as long as it's comfortable. Lie on your back and wrap the pull-up band on your injured leg slightly above your ankle. Slowly slide your heel first before pulling the band towards your body. Hold stretch position for 2 to 3 seconds before bringing your leg down slowly. Place a foam roller or a pillow under your injured knee. Start with a 30 to 45 degree angle of knee flexion. Point toes up first and squeeze your thigh muscle before raising your lower leg. Make sure to feel your quads contracting. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds. You can use your elbow to lift your body to challenge the movement. Using your hands can also increase the difficulty. Start in a long sitting position with both legs extended. Slightly bend your injured leg first before squeezing. Squeeze your thigh muscles by pushing your injured knee down towards the floor. Hold the squeeze for 3 to 5 seconds.